Want to skyrocket your YouTube channel with shorts but don't have hours to spend editing? YouTube Shorts are a game changer with over 70 billion daily views. They're the fastest way to grow your channel, reach new audiences, and drive traffic to your long-form content. But creating them manually? That's a time sink. In 2025, AI is your secret weapon to create scroll-stopping shorts in minutes. Today, I will show you how to use 3 powerful AI tools to make YouTube Shorts that grab attention and go viral. Let's dive in. First up is AI clipping, perfect for turning your long videos into bite-sized shorts without lifting a finger. Here's how it works. Head to quso.ai, click Create AI Clips, and upload your video or paste a YouTube link. I'm using a 20-minute podcast episode for this demo. Hit Generate Clips, and quso.ai analyzes your content, identifies key moments, and creates multiple vertical shorts in seconds. Each clip comes with a virality score, so you know which ones are likely to pop off. You can tweak captions, add emojis, or adjust branding all within the platform. Lastly, we've got the AI avatar feature, perfect for when you want a professional presenter but don't feel like being on camera. Choose from dozens of realistic avatars, input your script, and let quso.ai create a video with natural gestures and lip syncing. I'm using this avatar to deliver a quick business tip for my short. Add captions and brand elements, and you've got a pro-level short without ever recording yourself. Next is the AI video generator, ideal for creating original shorts from scratch even if you don't have footage to start with. Write a quick script or let quso.ai generate one for you based on a topic. I'm creating a 15-second tip on morning routines. Then pick background visuals from quso.ai's library. Add auto-generated captions. In under 5 minutes, you've got a polished short ready to hook viewers. Once your shorts are ready, hit export. Choose 1080p for crisp quality and download or schedule them directly to YouTube with quso.ai's built-in scheduler. Pro tip, post consistently. Use quso.ai to batch create shorts for the week and keep your channel active. And there you have it. 3 incredible AI tools from quso.ai to create YouTube Shorts in minutes. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI content creation tips. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Start your free trial with quso.ai using the link below. See you in the next one.